Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to 5 Minute DIY, where we show you how to do DIY and craft projects in 5 minutes or less. I'm Marty. Now, we've all seen that viral TikTok video, but I wanted to give it a shot myself. So today I'm going to show you how to turn your ceiling from this to this, or this. Alright, so now let's hop into this thing. Here's what you need: PolyFill, a pen, spray adhesive, LED strip. Now make sure they are the music sync kind. I use the Govee Dream Color LED strips because they are, Bluetooth capable. They have a nice little app, and you can customize every part of the strip. So you can seamlessly do something like this. Alright, so you're also going to need poster board, scissors, and duct tape. Other optional things you may need are push pins and shipping tape. Okay, first you want to use your duct tape and tape your poster boards to the ceiling. When you finish, you should have something that looks like this. Next, you want to apply your LED strips to the poster board. Now, if you're going for more of a storm cloud lightning effect, try to stay away from zigzagging your LED strips close together. Finally, you want to take a medium-sized piece of PolyFill, spray the back with adhesive, and apply them to your poster board and over your LED strips. Make sure you open the window, and don't worry about the LED strips. They are cool to the touch and give off little to no heat. Alright, once you finish, you should have something that looks like this. Alright, now if you like this video, please hit that like and that share button, and head over to the Jazz and Marty Facebook page, where we're always posting updates on DIY and craft videos. And like that, this will be the end. Peace.